Woody and his pals will return in a moment.
Faster, faster. I want my crap done when I come back. Breakfast break. Bum, 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 bum. Time for a change of plan. So I hope my crap is finished. Tina cereal, part of a chocolate nutritious breakfast.
Toy, 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 toy.
Think that's annoying? With their annoying, and it's annoying. With the Bake Cake Kids Meal and the Annoying Boy's Choice, inspired by the website, The Kids Meal. Now at Burger King.
Nice.
I need a vacation.
The new SpongeBob Stretch Pants toys are here.
Stretch pants. Now that's a stretch. Keep going, keep going. Okay, that was too far.
You can get SpongeBob Stretch Pants from Alpha. Available now at Target.
Hurry! Hurry! Hurry up! We are already late! Yes, there was a price. Yes! Selfish? Are you crazy? How much? For an hour? Here, 1 penny. Oops. Ah!
Leave your stress at home. Take the bus or train when you go to the city.
If ever you're not satisfied with one of our tires, please feel free to bring it back. Thank you. Discount Tire.
You owe the IRS or state more than $10,000 in back taxes? Well, you can stop stressing right now. At Blue Tax, our team of tax professionals will remove bank levies and wage garnishments fast. Stop all collection activity immediately. And negotiate a settlement on your entire tax debt. You could end up paying way less than you owe. 800-835-6030 for a free consultation. That's 800-835-6030. And remember, you heard it from me, Max, at Blue Tax.
I brought in Ensure Max Protein with 30 grams of protein.
Those who tried me felt more energy in just 2 weeks. Here, I'll take that.
Ensure Max Protein with 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and nutrients to support immune health.
Hello everyone, I'm Felix, and I'm at the Felix Farms today, and I'm gonna ride an airplane today. Yahoo! Now let's get started. Now this is really fun. Whoa, through the trees. Wow, look at the pumpkins. Whoa, through the trees again. I better look out for everything. Whoa! I gotta go. Bye, everyone. Cats like Felix like Felix.
Oh, you look handsome.
Thank you. Greetings from the sauna.
From the sauna? Are you insane? We might melt in a sauna.
Well, heck no.
Well, maybe you should go back in the heat.
Eminem. In Finland at last.
Hey, Patrick, how about a glass of delicious, creamy chocolate milk?
Oh, yummy! I love chocolate milk!
And it's good for you.
Chocolate milk. You can absorb it for yourself. Got chocolate milk?
Mr. Turtle, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
I never made it without biting. Ask Mr. Owl.
Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop? The world may never know.
New Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros. Perfect for breakfast time, snack time, and nighttime. Introducing new Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros. Churros for breakfast or whenever.
And now, on with the show.